Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to find the Facebook campaign ID. First of all, open your ads manager and here make sure to sign into your ads account. Okay, once you are in ads manager homepage, here make sure to select campaigns and click on columns performance and scroll down here and click on customize columns. Now click on this search box and type here campaign, and here you will get this campaign ID. To enable campaign ID, check this box and here scroll down. Here we can see campaign ID at date. I'm going to adding this campaign ID at the top, and now just click on apply. And here we can see all of my created campaign, and next to campaign here we can see campaign ID. So this is how we can easily find our Facebook ad campaign ID. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.